Greetings, and welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Special greetings to all of you who follow the story them every day. No, let me not call them stories because it might make you feel so them not real. I am going to call them accounts and reports. You have been following them, and with each one, your faith is being built. Special greetings to you. So if you want more people to hear about the miracles, signs, and wonders with Jesus and him disciple them did do, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with at least one somebody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as can to Luke chapter 13 from verse 10 to verse 17. One Sabbath day, Jesus did a teach in one of the Jew them church. And one woman did there where one demon caused for cripple for 18 years. Her back did bend and she couldn't straighten up. When Jesus saw her, him call her and say, "Woman, you better know." He put him on pan her. At same time, she turned up straight and praise God. The head man for the Jew them church did begs can't done. Cause Jesus get her better on the Sabbath. So him said to the people them, 6 days the in of the week for work. Can't get better upon one of them the day there. No do it on the Sabbath. The Lord tell him say, "Uno two-face. Uno no loose uno cow or donkey from the stall and lead them out for water on the Sabbath." Then this woman, one of Abraham girl picnic, where Satan bind up for 18 long year. So what? She no forget free on the Sabbath too. When Jesus said this, all of them were against him, shame. But the rest of people them did happy about the good sitting them where him did I do. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.